Yeah,
Language
thanks.
Cert Achiever B1, Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. What's your full name?
My full name is Rahul Sharma.
Can you spell your family name?
Sure. Sharma.
Thank you. Which country are you from?
I'm from India, but currently I am staying in UK.
Thank you. Now, part one. I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your ideas. Let's talk about parental responsibilities. Why do you think some people choose not to become parents?
Well, I believe some people maybe like as I am a responsible father, so I don't believe in that. But might be some people think they don't want to take more responsibilities. They love to enjoy their personal life. Maybe they love to enjoy freedom. So that is the reason they don't want parental responsibility.
All right. Let's talk about money management. In your opinion, what's the best way of saving money?
Yes, I would like to say the best way. There are many way to save the money, but according to me, the best way to save the money, we should keep calculate our everyday expenses and the monthly expenses. We should not. That's why we can at least come to know what are the extra expenses is going on, and we should at least save a specific amount of money every month for the future terms.
Thank you. Let's talk about superstitions. What's your opinion about people who believe in superstitions?
Well, I can say most of the people in my country they believe in superstitions, but I don't believe at all because this is just people imagination, and it means it's never true. So, but this is just kind of the perception of people who just believe. So this is not good. I feel like people should just stop thinking about this kind of habit.
All right, let's talk about space exploration. What two things would you take with you if you moved to another planet?
Okay, it's a very nice questions. So I really love to know about the space. So from my childhood, so I love, like, whenever I like, get chance to go on some other planet, I love to take some like two things with me. One is my mobile. I will at least check if the if there is network is still there in the over there. And one thing, I will take my favorite book over there, so I can spend my leisure time to reading my books.
Let's talk about music. Are the lyrics or the tune of a song more important?
I love listening music. I love like instrumental music. So I can say the tune is not more important as the lyrics. Lyrics is the base of any music. So yes, I believe the lyrics will decide how the music would be, and yeah. So I believe lyrics is the more important than tune.
Thank you. Let's talk about part two now. We are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation. We are neighbors. I live next door. I start. Your child's football has made a mark on my fence again.
Oh, sorry to hear this. I told a lot of time to my child, don't play over here in our garden, and it may affect and it may damage. So I'm so sorry. If like anything I can do for you to just like rectify those your damages.
Yeah, certainly I would just want your children to play in the park and not in the garden.
Yes, definitely. I will assure you. That, like next time, they will not allow here to play, in the park.
Thank you. Second situation. I'm a plumber and I've already done some work in your house and you're totally dissatisfied. You start.
Hey, I believe like you have left so many things. I told you to just repair this the side sink. There is some damage below the sink, and this is still there. And there are like other things in my washroom. The shower is still dripping the water. I don't think so. What have you done? And I'm not really happy with your work. Can you please check it again?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll definitely check everything again. Apologies. Thank
No
you.
problem. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the end of part two. Now, part three. Now, part three, we are going to discuss something together. Let's talk and exchange ideas on how people can boost their self esteem. Here are some ideas. I'll start. I think people can boost their self esteem if they surround themselves with positive people. What do you say?
Yes, this is the like the point I would say. There are so many like points that would definitely help the people to boost their self-esteem. I would like to say like they stop comparing like their self to other people. That is the most important things, because when someone just start comparing, they will definitely going to depress, and they will not definitely they're going to do best, like what they are like deserve and what caliber they have. And one more things like apart from that, people should accept that some goals are really unachievable, because everyone cannot get everything. So just plan accordingly, and try to be happy whatever you have, and definitely try to get more and try to do our best. But just think, there are something in our life that cannot be achievable, so it makes people happy. And yes, and there are one more things, like if people spend more times and money on on their own and personal life and appearance, it will also very good factor. It will increase their and boost their self esteem, and definitely they will feel more delighted. And yes, I can say these are the some important things. And additionally, I would like to say people should investigate the source of like their uh, lower self esteem. They should investigate, they should like explore like the what is the real source. How can they get their like their self esteem. So this is all things people really should follow, and it will really help them to boost their self esteem. What are you thinking about?
You're absolutely right. And I also believe that people who feel like this, they must seek professional help. They must go to a therapist. They must study themselves. What do you say?
Yes, yes, definitely. This is the another good points to like increase their self confidence, and it will definitely boost their no, self confidence, and their caliber, and like definitely like if they will explore, and they will seek how to get the professional help. So definitely it will be the one more important aspect. So I believe all those points will definitely going to help anyone's no to increase in their self confidence, and it will definitely going to boost their self esteem.
Thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. Now, part 4. In part 4, you're going to talk about something for 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. Your topic is the ideal educational system for you. You have 30 seconds to think about whatever you would like to say. Your time to think begins now. All right, now please talk about the ideal educational system for you. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Yes, so let me tell about the education system, the ideal education system. I believe the like ideal education system should must be focused on the basic the education, like the basic and the fundamental topics, and they should focus, and like they should like work on students the core subject which helps them to achieve their goals, like and definitely apart from these, like the ideal education system should be think about the students physical and mental health both as well, because I have found there are lots of challenges student has to face students have to face when they more focus on the study, and it affect their the health. And okay, so apart from I can say the ideal system, the education system should we include more advanced level of topics, like nowadays AI, artificial intelligence and machine learnings also they should involve in the like initial of the education. At least student will come to know
Okay,
the
thank you so much. 90 seconds are
also.
gone. Now I will ask you some follow-up questions about the ideal education system for you. How important are exams in the educational system in your country?
Pardon, could you please
How?
repeat?
Yeah, I'd ask you some follow-up questions about the ideal educational system for you.
Right.
How important are exams in the educational system in your country?
Yes, I would like to tell the exams are very important for education system in my country. Even I believe it should be important for any other country, because when we go to the when we take the exams, and we evaluate our like children's how they are and how what are the level of their knowledge. Accordingly, we prepare our students, and like they can get to good marks in the exams.
All right. Do you think that teachers will be replaced by computers in the future?
I think teacher will not replaced by the computer, because computer is a device, and we like whatever we feed in the computer will going to tell like instruct, like whatever the instruction will give to the machine computer, they are going to tell only that things. And the teacher is a I mean the base of any education system. Without teacher education system is nothing. So as yeah, I believe teacher will be the primary one for not present in the future also.
All right. So, how would you react if you failed in an important exam?
Yes, sometime I can like, to be honest, I feel very nervous before sitting in any exam, because lots of questions and lots of things going on all together at the same time in my mind, how it would be, what question it would be, and how will I be able to solve it or not. So like I can say in one line, I definitely always feel very upset, and it's a difficult time for me to concentrate that time.
All right. So, do you think formal education always plays an important role in people's careers?
Yes, definitely. Like absolutely, the formal education system is play important role for anyone's career, because the like without education, education is very important for anyone. So it helps people to know everything, and how to do anything, how to, for daily activities, for daily routine, for your jobs, it helps. And yeah, for anything, education is must
Hmm.
for people. Yeah.
Thank you so much. This is the end of your test, and I would like to tell you your score. Your score is 50 out of 50. Have fun.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining.